Hello guys, welcome to the episode number 4 of the RNG game series. Today we are going to do the pets data, which means the pets will save. Last episode we set up the player data in general and added some currency. You can see right here player data and the profile service, which is the data store we used. So now we are going to add pets. That's nice. Okay, so first of all, how will the system work? So each pet will have a random ID, for example, and I'm just gonna bring it right here. I'm just gonna do this simple. So we are gonna create this function, just pets, add pets in this case, add pet. It's gonna be the pet. It's gonna be a number. Why? Because it will be only pet ID, which I will explain later. Okay, let's delete this thing. Let's keep it now. No, so let's go to pets list, and for example, each pet will have a random ID. So this one is ID equals to 1, ID equals to 2, ID equals to 3, and ID equals to 4. Basically, we have this ID right here, and we will just only save the ID. Why? Because if we save the number, we will be able to associate each number, its ID, to the pet, because each pet has a different ID. Okay, so what we are going to save here on the manager will be local pet info. So will be the ID equals the pet ID. Now the name, it's not needed. However, we will add the name just because we won't add the name. We will get the name later, because if we want to change the name, for example, later when the game is already published, we can just change the name in here. So the ID will be very useful. Let's add date. So when the pet was achieved, we never know if we need it or not. So every time add this small info, because one day it could be very important. And for now it's just this. So now we are gonna go to the template on the data, player data, and put pets, which will be our table where we will save all the pets. Now onto manager, we will put table dot insert profile dot data dot pets comma pet info. Just that. Okay, now what we are going to do is this thing. When we get the pet, it's this one, chosen pet. So manager dot add pet player, it's a player data, and chosen pet dot ID. Okay, so every time we get the pet, it will be added in here. So what am I going to do to prove this is working? So every time I add a pet, which means I roll a pet, I will print I will print the player info, print profile dot data. Okay, and whenever we join, I will print it again, print profile to prove it's actually saving. Okay, so right now if we print the profile.data, we will have the money, pets none because we haven't edged anyone, and shards nothing. So I will roll one, and now we have money, pets, we have one pet, the date when it was rolled, and ID. Now let's roll more just to show. Now we have do with the 81? Okay, we are getting a lot of leafy kitties, but let's just get another one to show it's working. Okay, so now we have 4 pets: ID3, ID1, ID1, and ID1. So let's close. Now let's play it again. Now if we play it again, our data will be 127 pets. We will have 4 pets and the shards, so it's saving, it works. Okay, so yeah, this was a quick video just to save the pets, but yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next episode. Bye.